An illegally overheight commercial vehicle struck 6 overpass bridges on I-44.
We located in Mays County that illegal load. They're saying it's about 16 feet tall. It's illegal for trucks over 14 feet to travel the state highway system. Repairs are set to begin today. OTA Executive Director declared an emergency Wednesday afternoon and directed all staff to begin repairs as quickly as possible. Work will begin today, may take up to 2 weeks to complete. Repairs will include flame straightening and replacing sections of damaged beams. Click the bit link for updates. This breaking news story, I'm Shannon Becker in Mays County.